Hi, I'm Alexis. It's nice to meet you, and I'm super excited because today we are packing. One week from today, I will be landing in Taiwan. I'm going to be there for 10 days. I'm going to be staying in Taipei and then doing 2 days in Tainan. And I am super excited. I have not been back since I was 5 years old. Both of my parents are from Taiwan and I've been wanting to go back for a long time now. I was going to plan a trip in 2020, but I think we know why that didn't work out. My whole mom's side of the family still lives in Taiwan, so I don't get to see them often. I think the last time I saw them, I was still in high school. I'm about 2 years out of college now, so it's been a long time, and I'm super excited to see them all. Today is Saturday, and my flight leaves Thursday night. My goal is to at least get all of my checked luggages packed today, and then tomorrow I'll focus on like my personal item and my backpack and stuff. I've written out a packing list in my notes app and I broke it down to all of the different luggage and bags. I'm going to be flying China Airlines, and with my ticket it comes with 2 checked luggages, 1 carry-on, and a personal item. I have my 2 checked bags and then I have my carry-on here, and then I also got a new backpack recently that I'm going to bring for my personal item. I'm actually going to leave this checked bag empty, and on my flight there I'm just going to put my carry-on inside this checked bag. So really I'm only filling this case and this case, so I have a whole checked bag to fill with things that I might buy in Taiwan. Let's get started. I'm going to pull all of the clothes from my closet. I'm in my parents' room right now, so I'm gonna go grab everything from my room and bring it in here. This is the clothes I'm bringing. It's really not a lot. Like, this is way less than I typically pack for a trip. And then I also have a leather jacket that's going along with it. The reason why I'm only bringing that small stack of clothes is because my mom is convinced that I'm going to buy a bunch of clothes while I'm in Taiwan, which is totally possible. Because I think I'm gonna use these packing cubes, I think I'm just gonna actually move this out of the way for now. I'm only packing 1 dress with me, and it's like a casual dress that could be dressy if I wanted it to. This is a black drop waist dress. It has straps that are removable, which I really like. It's kind of a cargo-ish material, but it kind of snatches you a little bit. The skirt is really mini, but it has shorts built into it. I'm bringing 3 pairs of pants. I have 3 completely different styled pants, so I kind of have one for any occasion. The first one is this dark denim, and it's a boot cut. I'm bringing these green linen pants. They're like this army green. They're from Old Navy. Something to know about me is I love linen pants. Linen pants are so comfortable and basically feels like you're wearing pajamas out, but you can look chic. It looks like the temperature is gonna range from the 50s to 70 degrees. So I think it'll be good linen pants weather. And then kind of keeping with comfortable but basic, I have my wide leg Paxson jeans, and they're a lighter blue denim than the other pair of jeans I'm bringing. I'm probably expecting I'm gonna wear this most days. Now I'm gonna show you all the tops that I'm bringing. Because it's gonna be like around the 60-70 degrees, I'm only bringing 1 long sleeve shirt. I'm bringing this brown long sleeve, and it's one of those ones that's kind of like a Skims dupe, and it's like a boat neck that I really like in the style, so it's a good basic. It'll go with literally anything. Next are 2 basic staples that I think will be nice to keep with me, but I have this gray tee, and it falls at like that perfect length when you're wearing low-rise jeans. And then I have this same shirt in black. Now I'm also bringing this tank top from Brandy. It is like a whitish cream color and it has these little purple flowers all over it. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. And it has like this little white bows here. This next top, if you looked on my Instagram, you will see this top in probably every single picture because it is the perfect elevated basic for me. And it is a black tube top. It's a little longer. It has this asymmetric bottom. Literally my favorite top. I wear it all the time. Those are all of the shirts I'm bringing with me, but I'm also bringing a lot of outerwear to layer. This is another kind of staple that is all over my Instagram and every outfit. A white button-up shirt. And this one is a more linen feel. This is the Old Navy, the boyfriend shirt in a size large. Next, I'm bringing 2 cardigans with me. So I'm bringing this blue one. I just love this like muted baby blue color. It basically is a neutral. It'll go with everything. And then this one, it is a Tommy Hilfiger white cardigan, but this one has a higher neckline than that blue one, so I could really do like the button the top, leave the rest open, that kind of look. Fun fact, Kaylin found this and then she and I bought the same exact thing, but these were from the kids section in Tommy Hilfiger. Some extra space in this packing cube, so I'm also going to add in my pajamas. I'm just bringing these simple Adidas shorts. I figured I would just bring a set that wouldn't take up too much space in my suitcase. And then this is just my black tank that I like to wear as pajamas. It's a great shirt to actually wear out as well. I likely won't do that just because it'll be like, I don't want to wear it out. I'm only bringing 1 pair of pajamas. Just to give you a closer look at my packing cubes. So this one is the medium size one and it's definitely stuffed. This is the large packing cube and I'm probably gonna just close this up and then try to collapse it again and see if that's fine. I took a little break from packing. It's 4:30 now, but it's even darker outside. I think it's snowing tonight, so it just got dark really, really early. I left off with this last packing cube. Such a side note, but I actually was looking at solutions for breaking in Sambas. So I just got new Adidas Sambas. I'm very late to the trend, but I just wanted some new walking shoes and I heard good things about Sambas. But what I didn't hear about is how bad it hurts your heel. I know that's probably old news to people, but I had no idea. Because of the whole ankle thing, I don't know if I have socks that will work with them. So I think what I might want to do is buy special socks. I was just on TikTok kind of like researching what people do. I saw people's tips of how to break in the Sambas like without wearing them. I saw people like heating it with a blow dryer and hitting it with a hammer or a water bottle, those kinds of things. And I'm going to try literally all of those tips. I have like running shoes, but they're not like cute. So I would rather not like have to wear those. I wasn't even planning on bringing them with me. I'm going to research the socks that have like a little bit of a padding in the back heel part. Hopefully I can find some good ones off Amazon and they can get here quickly. Okay, so this is filled with undergarments and everything. And then I'm going to use this airy bra laundry bag to put in all of my socks. I think I'm gonna do some research on those socks, but that's everything for my purple checked bag right now. It is the next day. It is Super Bowl day, so I'm wearing my Eagles gear for the game tonight. Basically, my goal is to pack as much as I can and everything I can before the game tonight. My camera died yesterday when I was kind of trying to think through my shoe options. Now I want to finish up my purple luggage. Honestly, after my camera died yesterday, I kind of gave up on packing, so it didn't miss anything. I'm bringing a knee-high brown boot that are honestly old and I'm thinking that I will toss them at the end of the trip. I might not even bring it back home from Taiwan. And then I'm also bringing these black Chelsea boots that are actually Kaylin's old shoes. Those also might be able to be tossed in Taiwan. I'm going to ask her. And then my reliable Nike running shoes in case the Samba's family. This is a side that has my clothes, has the big packing cube and the medium one and a leather jacket underneath. And then this side is zippered shut. This giant plastic bag has 3 pairs of shoes, my underwear, and then this is where the socks are gonna go. I know it will fit better. So that is basically one suitcase all packed. As I mentioned yesterday, I am going to be putting my carry-on luggage in another checked bag, so I won't actually have access to this on the flight. Now let's pack my carry-on. This bag is going to be empty and ready for me to use in Taiwan. I'm just gonna throw in a couple small items in here. I'm gonna put in an Ole Henriksen lip balm and then also this Romand lip stain. I'm going to be bringing my digital camera. I'm also bringing a pair of sunglasses, classic small framed ones. And I'm just going to tuck this into the side of the carry-on. On the zipper and clothes side, I just packed up all of my makeup. I don't really have a reason to be doing my makeup over the next few days. I do have a bubble skincare trio and it's from their Inside Out collection and it came with this cute bag and it has a gel cleanser, hydration boosting serum, and their Cloud Surf moisturizer. This isn't the stuff I use on a day-to-day basis, but I always bring it with me when I travel because it is literally the perfect size of travel. It doesn't take up too much space. I do have a code because I am a Bubble ambassador in case you want a discount and you want to try out Bubble skincare. I'm also going to throw in my jewelry box in here. I think that's everything for my carry-on right now. There is a lot of empty space. I think what I'll do is when I pack my backpack, my personal item, maybe I'll find a couple things I really don't need to keep in my backpack and I don't need on the flight with me. And then I can add it to this carry-on because really it's so light in here. There's like barely anything. Now that we've done the suitcases, I'm going to do my personal item. This is the backpack that I've started using. It's from BagSmart and it has a lot of different compartments, which is so useful. This bag has a laptop sleeve, so I'm probably going to bring my MacBook and charger, but I'm not packing that right now since I'm not leaving for another 4 days. This bag is mainly going to be holding a bunch of like small items and the things that I feel like I want to have with me on the plane ride. Toothbrush, toothpaste, travel hairbrush, glasses, press-on nails, compact mirror, my passport, my wallet, travel size, Advil pack, e.l.f. lip balm, portable phone charger, AirPods, wire rings from my Etsy shop. Right now, the backpack is honestly super empty. There's not even anything in the big pocket. I only have stuff in the small pocket. I'm planning on using some of the pockets that I didn't fill yet for all of my chargers. I think that's all for my personal item. I'm going to fill up all of the last minute little items on Wednesday right before I fly. I'm so happy. I'm basically all packed now. I figured since I got new luggage and I'm going on a whole new trip, I also got all new luggage tags. It's dark now and that took all weekend, but I'm finally all packed up for Taiwan and I finished before the Super Bowl tonight. I hope you found it useful to see what I'm packing on my trip to Taiwan. This is only going to be the first video in this series. I'm going to be taking you along on this trip with me and I can't wait to experience it. Chat soon. Bye.